Hi, I'm Brittany. I'm here with Saul's Sandwiches, and today we're going to make a Saul's hoagie, which pairs perfectly with the chocolate cheesecake ice cream. So we're going to make a red pepper pesto. You're just going to want to pop that in the food processor and give it a blitz. So you want a really good crusty sub. This is super important to the hoagie. So it's crunchy and then soft on the inside. That's going to hold all the flavors for your sauces. A tablespoon of that red pepper pesto that you've just made. We're going to go in with the balsamic vinegar. Can be a little messy. Some aioli. So we have our mortadella, our hot suppressor salami, and we have our smoked ham. If you're ever in New York walking the streets and you go into like Italian delis, you'll find that they serve you these huge hoagies the size of your head. They're super generous with their amount of produce and the flavors that they put in. Alrighty, so here you can see all the layers forming. Next, you're gonna go in with the provolone, pop on our raw red onion, kosher pickle. Be generous because this is the ingredient of a New York sub. You won't find one without kosher pickles in there. I think definitely the combination of all of these fresh vegetables and cured meats in a sandwich changed my whole perspective on that kind of vinegar, saltiness, and freshness of sandwiches. And there's your hoagie. After a meal, the hoagie is going to pair perfectly with a delicious dessert.
You want some?